everyone, I'm on my way to New York City today. I decided to do a little vlog of this trip and post it on YouTube, so please come along for the journey. Coffee acquired. I'm a little stressed because it's almost 10. Alright, we made it to New York City. Woo! And I thought we were gonna go to bed, but actually we are going out. Woo! But tonight we're gonna go see a Broadway show that she won in the lottery. We are entering the theater. Hello. Okay, so in New York fashion, we're throwing a birthday party for Mila. Where is she? It's her first birthday, and we invited 2 of the girls that we met at the Broadway show, and they're bringing a friend, and then 2 other girls who live in New York City. So it's gonna be super fun. Okay. Hey, she's eating the flowers. Yeah! Yay! Look at that spread. Cat is ready. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Good morning. So today my sister has to work, so I'm kind of out exploring, and then I'm going to meet up with a friend in Brooklyn. So I'm very excited. I don't know if people record here because every time I start recording, I feel like someone walks by and I get embarrassed. But today I decided to just explore Central Park a little bit more. And just take it easy and enjoy the city as a New Yorker. The thing I really like about New York and San Francisco too is that it feels like everyone here is so ambitious, and like obviously to live here you have to be pretty ambitious, and so I really admire that, and it makes me want to like do more. So it's kind of part of what I love, the hustle. So this morning, I accidentally broke my sister's glass bowl. So I'm on a mission now to find a new bowl for her. So sad, I couldn't open the door quickly, and my sister's in a meeting, so I guess she'll get it when she's done. Store in Brooklyn in Bushwick, right? Yeah.
My old stomping ground.
Yeah. Okay, we're looking for some jewelry potentially. Okay, I know I'm recording from the bathroom, but look how hidden this place is. This is literally the bathroom, and it's kind of expensive here, but it's really nice. Thanks so much for watching my video. Today is my last day in New York City. If you enjoyed my video, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel